Hello everyone, my name is Kulip Sharma and today we will be doing the 100 most important current affairs for the month of January and February 2021. Now this is a audio file only, so you just need to sit back, relax, put on your earphones and listen to the questions. Let's begin. Number 1. Union Cabinet approved the proposal of exporting the indigenously developed Akash missile system. The missile come under which category? Akash missile system. The correct answer is surface to air missile. Surface to air missile. Now what is the range of the Akash missile system? The range is 25 kilometers. Okay. Next question. Nitin Gadkari has announced a multi-modal logistic park in which state? The correct answer is Assam. Next question. Who became the 67th Grandmaster? The answer is Leon Mendoka. Next question. Which country is developing the world's first wood-based space satellite to combat problems of space debris? The answer is Japan. The world's first wood-based space satellite, remember. Next question. Name the first female match official in a men's test match. The answer is Clary Polosek. Next question. Which state inaugurated Fire Park to educate and bring awareness on basic fire safety measures among the people, especially among the students? Fire Park. The correct answer is Orissa. Next question. Elon Musk owned electric vehicle company Tesla has registered a fully owned subsidiary in which state of India? The answer is in Bangalore city. Okay. Now Elon Musk is the owner of the company SpaceX and they have recently broken the record of ISRO by launching 143 satellites at a single time. Okay, so that is also an important question. Next question. Who is India's first COVID vaccine recipient? The answer is Manish Kumar. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the trust which manages the world famous Somnath temple? The answer is Narendra Modi. He is the second prime minister to manage this post. Next question. DRDO has handed over motorbike ambulance to the Central Reserve Police Force. What is the name of that motorbike ambulance? The answer is Rakshita. Rakshita. Next question. Name the zoo which has recently been renamed by the Maharashtra government after Balasaheb Thackeray. The correct answer is Gorawada International Zoo. Next question. Which state recently organized its first ever bird festival, Kalarav, at the Nagi Nakti Bird Sanctuary? What is the name of the bird festival? Name is Kalarav. So which state organized it? Bihar. Okay. Next question. Who became the first women fighter pilot to take part in the Republic Day parade? Answer is Bhavna Kant. Next question. What was the theme of India Digital Summit 2021? The answer is Atmanirbhar Bharat, start of a new decade. Next question. One of the oldest trains of Indian Railways, the Howrah Kalka Mail, has been renamed as. The correct answer is Netaji Express. Howrah Kalka Mail has been renamed as Netaji Express. Next question. Which state will inaugurate the first child-friendly police station in the state? I repeat the question. Which state will inaugurate the first ever child-friendly police station in their state? The correct answer is Uttarakhand. Next question. Which state launched Avalokana software? The correct answer is Karnataka. Next question. Where is India's longest road arc bridge? Wahriu Bridge recently inaugurated. Longest road arc bridge was inaugurated in Meghalaya. Next question. Which Indian mathematician has been named winner of the prestigious 2021 Michael and Sheila Held Prize? The answer is Nikhil Srivastava. Next question. Hall successfully test fired anti-airfield weapon from Hawkeye aircraft. Who developed this weapon? The answer is DRDO. Next question. Which country has emerged as the world's topmost country with largest current account surplus in the year 2020 as per a survey by Munich-based institute? The answer is China. Next question. A 19-year-old Haridwar-based student became the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand for one day on National Girl Child Day. What is her name? Her name is Srishti Goswami. Next question. Name the first ever state of India to have two expressway airstrips. Two expressway airstrips. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Name the individual who has won the Subhash Chandra Bose Apada Prabandhan Puraskar 2021. The correct answer is Rajendra Kumar Bhandari. Next question. Which state is to launch 3-tower gender park? The answer is Kerala. Next question. India's highest meteorological center has been set up in which place by the Indian Meteorological Department? The correct answer is Leh. Where is Tihan Foundation, India's first test-bed autonomous navigation system, established? The answer is IIT Hyderabad. Where was India's first pollinator park opened recently? Next question. India's first pollinator park. The correct answer is Uttarakhand. Next question. PM Modi laid foundation stone of lighthouse projects in how many states? The answer is 6 states. Next question. The Asian Development Bank has signed a US dollar 231 million loan with the government of India to augment electricity generation capacity in which state? The correct answer is Assam. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of the Common High Courts for the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh? The answer is Pankaj Mittal. Next question. Which is the world's first company to cross market capitalization of above rupees 1 lakh crore and thus become the most valuable two-wheeler company globally? The correct answer is Bajaj Auto. Next question. From where was Indian scientific expedition to Antarctica was flagged off on January 5th, 2021? The answer is Goa. It is the 40th scientific expedition to Antarctica. Next question. What was the theme of Prabasi Bharatiya Divas 2021? The answer is contributing to Atmanirbhar Bharat. Now, when is Prabasi Bharatiya Divas? It's celebrated on 9th January. Next question. The 51st International Film Festival of India is celebrating the work of legendary filmmaker. The answer is Satyajit Ray. Next question. India's first indigenous 9mm machine pistol has been jointly developed by the Indian Army and the answer is DRDO. Next question. Who has been appointed as the President of UN Human Rights Council for 2021? The answer is Nazhat Shamim Khan. Next question. What is the full form of Saksham? Answer is Sanrakshan Shamata Mahotsav. Sanrakshan Shamata Mahotsav. Next question. The first ever Labour Movement Museum is set to be established in which city of India? First ever Labour Movement Museum. The answer is Alappuzha. It is a city in Kerala. Next question. Who has been awarded Padma Vibhushan 2021 in Public Affairs category? The answer is Shinzo Abe. Next question. Which country hosted the One Planet Summit 2021 held in collaboration with UN and World Bank? France. The answer is France. And what was the theme of the One Planet Summit 2021? Theme was Let's Act Together for Nature. Let's act together for nature. Next question. The fourth edition of the Cherry Blossom Festival was virtually inaugurated in which state? The answer is Manipur. Next question. First ever ice climbing festival was celebrated in. The answer is Nubra Valley, Ladakh. I repeat, Nubra Valley, Ladakh. Next question. Which country has topped the breakout economies in the third edition of Digital Evolution Scorecard? The answer is China. Next question. What is the rank of India in the Henley Passport Index 2021? The correct answer is 85. 85. Next question. Which metro became the first metro in India to use UV rays to sanitize train coaches? The answer is Lucknow Metro. Next question. The first ever dedicated center for wetland conservation and management has been set up in which city of India? The answer is Chennai. Next question. Automaker company Ford has joined hand with which technology major to use anti to use artificial intelligence and cloud computing in offering service? I repeat the question. Automaker company Ford has joined hands with which technology major to use artificial intelligence and cloud computing in offering service? The answer is Google. Next question. Students in which state has created a robot to help in banking services? The answer is Karnataka and the name of the robot is Maya. Next question. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has inaugurated Hindustan Aeronautics Limited second light combat aircraft Tejas production line in. I will repeat this question again. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has inaugurated Hindustan Aeronautics Limited second light combat aircraft Tejas production line in. The correct answer is Bengaluru. Next question. The Asian Indian Hackathon is a initiative by PM Narendra Modi and is launched by Ministry of Education. Asian Indian Hackathon. Next question. Which word has been selected as the Oxford Languages Hindi Word of the Year 2020? The correct answer is Atmanirbharta. Atmanirbharta. Next question. The first ever Ampute clinic in India has been set up in which city? The answer is Chandigarh. Next question. A 25-year-old Kashmiri woman has become the youngest female pilot in the country. What is her name? Answer is Ayesha Aziz. Ayesha Aziz. Next question. Which country has approved a project to build the world's first energy island in the North Sea? The answer is Denmark. Next question. Name the first ever female who has been appointed as the Director General of the World Trade Center. I will repeat the question. Name the first ever female who has been appointed as the Director General of the World Trade Organization, WTO. The answer is Naozi Okonjo-Iweala. Next question, which company has been chosen by NASA for its SpaceX mission to perform an all-sky survey? I'll repeat the question. Which company has been chosen by NASA for its SpaceX mission to perform an all-sky survey? The answer is SpaceX. Who is the founder and CEO of SpaceX? It's Elon Musk. Next question. Which country is set to build world's largest wind power plant? World's largest wind power plant. The correct answer is South Korea. Recently, Prime Minister aimed at helping improve state highways and major district roads networks in Assam. What is the name of that project? The name of the project is Assam Mala. Next question. India's first ever geothermal power project will be implemented by state-owned oil and natural gas corporation at. The answer is at Ladakh. Next question. Name the founder of Rag Vidushak who passed away recently. The answer is Bansi Kaul. Next question. A major contingent of 34 CRPF women personnel has been inducted into its Specialized Jungle Warfare Commando Force. What is the name of that contingent? The answer is Cobra. Next question. Which country has recently inked an MOU with India for the construction of Shahtut Dam? The answer is Afghanistan. India's first thunderstorm research test bed is to be set up in which state? Thunderstorm research test bed. The answer is Orissa. Next question. Skyroot Aerospace has signed an agreement with which company to launch taxi in space on its Vikram launch vehicle? Answer is Bellatrix Aerospace. Next question. Indian Army lays foundation of 100-foot high national flag in Jammu and Kashmir, Gulmarg. Next question. Who has won the prestigious Wildlife Photographer of the Year People's Choice Award in 2021? Answer is Robert Irwin. Next question. Kempegowda International Airport won the World's Voice of the Customer Award for the committed services provided during the pandemic. Where is this airport located? I will repeat the question again. Kempegowda International Airport won the World's Voice of the Customer Award for the committed services provided during the pandemic. Where is it located? Kempegowda International Airport. It is located in Bengaluru. Next question. Which country has put a probe called Hope in the orbit around the Mars? The answer is UAE. So UAE has put a probe And what is the name of that probe? Its name is Hope, in the orbit around Mars. Next question. Who has been awarded as Femina Miss India World 2020? The answer is Manasa Varanasi. Next question. Name the Indian Navy's largest exercise which has been conducted in the Indian Ocean region. Answer is TROPEX. 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 Next question. Deen Dayal Upadhyay's death anniversary is observed as. The answer is Samarpan Divas. Samarpan Divas. Next question. Which state announced to construct a COVID-19 warrior memorial for COVID-19 warriors? Answer is Orissa. Next question. The New START Treaty is a nuclear arms reduction treaty extended by United States with which country for a period of 5 years? I'll repeat the question. The New START Treaty is a nuclear arms reduction treaty extended by United States with which country for a period of 5 years? What is the name of that country? It's Russia. Next question. The Mandu festival is celebrated in which state of India? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Which India's homegrown app ties up with ISRO to build an alternative to Google Maps? I repeat the question. Which India's homegrown app ties up with ISRO to build an alternative to Google Maps? The answer is Map My India. The answer is Map My India. Next question. Which country's astronomers has detected huge optical flare in black hole BL Lacertae? The answer is India. Next question. Name the battle tank which was recently handed over by PM Modi to Indian Army. The answer is Arjun. Next question. The Kanchot festival is celebrated in which state union territory? The Kanchot festival is celebrated in which state or union territory? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Next question. Which country recently overtaken the US as the biggest trading partner of the European Union in 2020? The correct answer is India. Next question. Name the government instant messaging system platform launched by the center on the lines of WhatsApp. What's the name of that app? The name is Sandesh. Sandesh. Next question. The sustainable electric two-wheeler named Pimo has been developed by which institution? The answer is IIT Madras. Next question. The robocar named Tiger X1 is an ultimate mobility vehicle launched by which company? I'll repeat the question. The robocar named Tiger X1 is an ultimate mobility vehicle launched by which company? The answer is Hyundai Motors. Next question. The mobile app Snakepedia has been launched by which state? Snakepedia has been launched by Kerala. Next question. The Mahabahu Brahmaputra initiative is a RoPax service which aims to improve connectivity. It was launched by the PM in which state? Mahabahu Brahmaputra initiative. It was launched in Assam. Next question. Who is the president of the Geneva based United Nations Human Rights Council? Nazhat Samim. Next question. Name the Indian city which has received the recognition of the 2020 Tree City of the World. Tree City of the World. The answer is Hyderabad. Next question. DRDO recently tested the indigenously developed Helena and Dhruvastra missile system. What type of missiles are these? I'll repeat the question. DRDO recently tested the indigenously developed Helena and Dhruvastra missile systems. What type of missiles are these? These are anti-tank guided missiles. Anti-tank guided missiles. Next question. The CSIR has collaborated with which entity to promote health research in India? The answer is Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Next question. The foundation stone of the first ever skill university of the Eastern India has been laid in which state? Skill University of the Eastern India. The correct answer is Assam. Next question. The Atal Paryavaran Bhavan had recently been inaugurated in which place by Union Minister Prakash Javadekar? The answer is Lakshadweep. Paryavaran Bhavan. Next question. PM Modi has dedicated to the nation the INDMAX unit at Bongaigaon Refinery of Indian Oil. The refinery is located in which state? Assam. I will repeat the question. PM Modi has dedicated to the nation the INDMAX unit at Bongaigaon Refinery of Indian Oil. The refinery is located in Assam. Next question. Hoshangabad city in Madhya Pradesh is renamed as? The answer is Narmadapuram. Hoshangabad has been renamed as Narmadapuram. Next question. Which film has won the Best International Feature Film Award at the 2021 Dadasaheb Phalke International Film Festival Awards? The answer is Parasite. Next question. Name the actor who won the Critics' Best Actor Award at the Dadasaheb Phalke International Film Festival 2021. The answer is Sushant Singh Rajput. And the Best Film Award was given to Tanaji. The Best Web Series Award was given to Scam 1992. Next question. World's largest cricket stadium has been inaugurated in? The answer is Ahmedabad, the Narendra Modi Cricket Stadium. Next question. Which state is setting up a flower processing center to convert unsold flowers into various useful products? A flower processing center. What is the name of the state? The answer is Karnataka. Next question. India's first digital university was recently inaugurated in Kerala by which of the following dignitaries? I'll repeat the question. India's first digital university was recently inaugurated in Kerala by which of the following dignitaries? The answer is Arif Muhammad Khan. Next question. The Union Cabinet has approved to impose the President's rule in which of these Union territories? President's rule was applied in which Union territory? The answer is Puducherry. Next question. The Trilateral Dialogue of India has been set up with which two countries with focus on Indo-Pacific region? Trilateral Dialogue. The answer is France and Australia. So these were the 100 most important current affairs for the month of January and February. I will be back again with the 100 most important current affairs for the month of March and April. If you have liked the video, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and everybody take care and bye bye.